What I'm about to show you is one of the simplest things you can do to improve your trading. This is a super short video, so stick till the end and you may just improve your trading tremendously. Here's the trick. Go to your settings on whatever platform you're on. Here I'm on TradingView. I'm going to click on settings and I'm going to unclick Wick and hit OK. I want you to notice how clean this makes the chart. Removing the wicks takes away all that extra noise on your chart that can distract you when you're trading. I want to show you now specifically how this makes it so much easier to identify breakouts. This chart is ES1, which is the E-mini futures instrument of the S&P 500. I'm looking at the daily chart and I'm going to show you now, just going through each consolidation area, how this removing of the candles makes it so much easier to see everything. Here is today's candle. I'm going to go back and just look at this first consolidation area. First of all, look how easy it is to spot this consolidation. Let me draw some lines here. Here's the top, here's the bottom. It's a perfect rectangle. It bounces between this area and then boom, this big red bar breaks clearly below this area and it goes further down. Let's go to the next consolidation area, which is right here. Draw some lines over. Look how clean that is. Bounces around, boom, this green bar goes above the consolidation area and it goes up higher. Next consolidation area, perfect rectangle, boom, breaks below, goes lower. On the upside, consolidation area right here. This is amazing. Look how clean that is. And you see clearly this green bar breaks above. If you were worried about that, you could wait till this green bar and then it goes up higher. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Trade Tricks.